Andrew. This is a tiger. Wow. And this is a donkey. And this is an elephant. Good job. This is a pig. Good job. And this is a cow. Good job. And this is a horse. And this is a zebra. And this is a sheep. Good job. And this is a rooster. Chicken. Yeah. And this is a baby lion. Oh, baby tiger. Whoa. And a dinosaur. Wow. And a mama elephant. And a chicken. Good job. And how about a hippo?
Mama.
Okay. And a dragon. How about what does the spider say? Spider? Okay. Wait, stay there. A horse. Is that what the horse say? How about a crocodile? Crocodile. I don't know what a crocodile say. I think the crocodile talk like that. And a cow. Moo. And how about a mama sheep? Mama sheep. Mm-hmm. A baby giraffe. I mean zebra. Zebra. Oh, a rhino. And mama hippo. And what does Andrew say? Okay, more. Okay. Pig. Baby pig. Baby pig. Piglet. What does Piglet say? And a baby rhino. Oh, a giraffe. And what does Jiba say? What does Anhai say? Oh, okay, baby giraffe. Okay, what does Jiba say? Oh, hi. All right, that's it. Gonna put it away? Mommy, help mommy put this away. Okay, so that way you take it to Branson with you. Okay, and you play. All right. Ooh, spider. Andrew tuổi con gì? Rồng. Andrew tuổi con rồng. Phải Andrew tuổi con này không? Phải Andrew tuổi con này không? Này là con rồng. Andrew mấy tuổi? Andrew mấy tuổi? Andrew mấy tuổi? Andrew có mấy tuổi? 2 tuổi. 2 tuổi.